Alright, we're gonna do the interview, or we're gonna start the video up here. Oh, ow, that was my toe. Alright. Yes. Alright, hey everybody. So it's been about a month since the last real video. So I realized I didn't give you guys a real inside tour of Beatrix over here. So that's what we're gonna do today. And we're starting it up here on the roof because if you come on over. Come on over. We'll start. Well, I guess we'll start in the back. Oh god. So we got a ladder over here, as you can see. Great ladder. It held my weight, so, and that's really all it needs to hold. So it's thumbs up. And we got the spare tire over here, which is not really doesn't. Someone's looking at me. It's a little cracked. It's a little dry rotted. But that's okay because I'm getting a new spare tire. But we'll start on the outside stuff first. Okay, let me get down. Give me a second. All right, we're done. Okay, so we're gonna start on the. Obviously, I started back here. You already know what's over here. Come on over. So I parked the van this way so we can get inside here pretty easy because the other couple of videos it was parked the other way. But come here. Let me show you. Look at these bad boys. These are new tires, baby. These are new tires, and we got them like about 3 days ago. So I'm pretty excited about that. I just touched something up there. Come on, all right, come on over here. All right, so this was the middle console that you guys were seeing in the first couple of videos, and I took it out. It takes a lot of room up there, so we're just gonna leave it out here for a second, so I can show you what's inside. Come on. That's fine. All right, so here, this is the good old engine bay. Honestly, I can't really go into detail, just because I kind of know things, but I kind of don't know things. But it's cool to show you. Oh, we got a new battery. Terminals are still kind of old, but we got it clamped on, ready to go. So it's been turning on like a charm. What else have we done? Antenna. Oh yeah, so far though, that's pretty much what we've done. Besides yeah, just the battery really. All right, so we're gonna close this. Oh, sorry, that's a little loud. This is gonna be really loud. All right, so here we got an antenna. We actually put this on today because my brother found it in the back seat. So I didn't even know we had it. All right, so now we're gonna come over here. Can you get a close look up of this mirror right here? So this mirror right here used to be cracked and ugly, but we've replaced it, as you can see, so it's beautiful, all clean, all new. All right, we're gonna go on the passenger side. All right, so this is where we kind of did like some interior work. As you can see, it's pretty bare over here. These are pretty cool actually. Look, there's windows over here, little tiny glass windows. You know. All right, come on in. So this is the passenger. This is what it looks like to be a passenger.
You want to close the door?
I'm not really gonna close the door all the way because obviously the mic's gonna get ruined. But this is what it looks like to be a passenger.
Wave. Put the other hand.
Yeah. All right, cool. That's pretty cool. All right, come on in, camera guy. So we got a glove box here, but look at that, amazing. And here we got the fuse box. Basically it. All right, so let's keep moving. So now I'm at the driver's seat. All right, so the driver's seat's pretty standard. Come over here and look at the dials, camera guy. So I got the speedometer over here. Okay, all right, you guys know what you guys know what the dials do. Okay, cool. This is the AC/heater control. Oh, actually, so this is the gear shaft, but this is how you change gears. And there, look, as you can see, yeah, there's nothing here for wipers, and that's because the wipers is on the other side, and usually lights would be here, right? But the lights are actually up here. These captain chairs are great. This is how you like, well, this one's kind of broken, but this is how you like move up and down and back forward. The passenger chair, captain chair is way better. Yep, it's got what it actually, oh, what? I did not know that it could go up. I did not know that. That is crazy. Okay. Anyways, so from the back, if you were a backseat passenger, this is what you would see.
Look through the.
Oh.
You can see there.
As you can see, the middle console's totally gone. So this is actually where the engine sits. And I'll probably show you that in another video. Taken out. This is what I recently learned is called a doghouse. And so you take this off, and the engine and the air filter and the spark plugs and everything sit in there. That's basically the outside exterior and the inside of the front. So yeah, we're gonna get adjusted here, and we're gonna go to the back. Now we're in the back of the van. Now this, look how much room there is. Look at that. All right, this is, so obviously you saw in the very first video we had a captain chair here we took off, but we still kept this one on, just because it's also really heavy, so it's kind of hard to store them and stuff. But yeah, let me show you the door. Oh, happy first day of spring, by the way. That was a couple of days ago, so happy spring. All right, so this is the doors. Oh my gosh, check it out, baby. Check that out. Crazy, great view. Okay, now we're gonna go back inside. All right, so there's nothing really much going on with those doors. Nothing actually. Oh, all right, hey Jaden. So now here we got a CRT TV, which I'm pretty sure still works, but I took out the fuse stuff for this to turn it on, so there's no power going through it, but I'm pretty sure it works. So I'll show you the back seat first. There's nothing really happening back here besides this back seat, but it's very comfy. Look at. Okay, saw that. Getting used to it. There's a lot of like knobs and dials, like if you can see on that the side door, of like radios and the TV switching. But there's also like a couple over here and a couple over here. But the coolest thing that is going to be really hard for me to say goodbye to is this turns into a bed. So there's like switches over here where it says sofa, tilt, back, forward, down. Okay, so go ahead and look at the bed. We're gonna transform it, or the chair. I'm gonna transform into a bed. All right, so we gotta put it forward first. Oh, actually, I don't even know if we can transform it, cause the headrests are on it. But there, we'll see. Oh yeah, we definitely can't transform it. But that's what it looks like halfway done. But this is what it looks like halfway done. And sorry, I don't want to really take the headrests off. Okay, we're gonna put that back up. What else am I missing? Am I missing anything else other than the sofa? I think you guys have seen everything. I mean, behind this back seat is just some space, so it's not really happening. Now we'll leave this door open. We'll leave these doors open just in case we like lock ourselves out. All right, we're gonna end it back on top. It's fine. So that was a pretty detailed tour of the van before its makeover, I guess. We're gonna go pretty. I think we're gonna go pretty slow, but I don't know. I think we're gonna go at a good pace. You know, live life and build this van at the same time. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next week. I don't know what we're gonna do next week, but I'll see you guys next week. Later.